I'm so excited to be back. It's been a little bit since I made a video. So today I'm going to be making a video about, I'm pretty sure you've heard of BabyList. It is a company where you can actually register a whole bunch of different stores and combine them into that app. It's called BabyList. And you can make your registry, your baby registry on that. So I actually signed up for them, and what you do is actually you pay the $10 for the shipping. Everything that comes with it is free. It's a free box. You just have to pay the shipping. So I just got it today. So I am here to show you guys what actually comes in it. So let's get this open really quick. All right, so here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys one piece at a time. Okay, so it comes with a little card. Today I got my Hello Baby box. All right, first item is a little card. I'm not sure what it is. Let's see. A special gift for you. HelloYummy.com. Oh, a special gift for you. $35. Try the fresh organic baby food service everyone is talking about. I'm gonna have to check this out. This is pretty awesome. Alright. And you get one of those Pampers Swaddlers. So inside of here, here's a couple things. So you get a drop detergent, a little coupon booklet. Let's see what it has in it. It's $1.50 Pampers off, and a couple other like coupons for detergent, wipies, and Pampers. So that'll come in handy. You get a little Pampers wipies, 6 sensitive ones, and then they give you a diaper. I am not sure what size this is. And then a changing pad to go. Or I guess you can use it anywhere. Alright, and then you get a even flow balanced baby bottle. So here you go. You get some breastfeeding samples inside, breast milk storage bag, and 2 disposable nursing pads, 2 of each. You get a Chico pacifier. I love that. Alright. And then you get a whole bunch of little cards. Babies need lots of love, and a few things too. Oh, I guess this is to find your baby registry. I guess you put this with your invitations, so people are able to find your registry. That's my assumption on this. Alright, and then you get the Ubi bags. I actually have their trash can, that one, on my registry, which I'm excited about because it doesn't need trash bags from, like, you know how the other, like the Baby Genie, they all need their specific bags, so you always constantly have to buy the bags. So the Ubi, you can use any, like, I believe you can just use like any kitchen bags. You buy a roll and then keep using those bags, which I love. The trash can is a little bit pricey. I think it's like $70, but I think compared to the other trash cans and then continuing to buy those trash bags, I think it's a pretty expensive. So I'm excited about that trash can. But anyway, this is actually some extra bags to go. It's like a little like keychain. I don't know if you have a dog. Sometimes they have those little dog things with like your little baggies. So this one's for babies, so you can go ahead and take with you and put your dirty diapers in the bag and throw it out. Alright. And then it comes with some plant-based wipes, Honest wipes. So that's pretty cool. I want to eventually try this brand out. I don't know. It's fragrance-free, alcohol, paraben, and chlorine-free. So we'll see. I know I'm having twin boys, so I don't know if it's gonna be like. I don't think it's gonna be affordable for me to like get this brand. So we'll see. But I do want to try this out. Alright, so it comes with this little nano baby baggie. There's some stuff in here. Oh, okay, so it comes with nursing pads, breast milk storage, flexi pacifier, and newborn essentials coupon booklet. Packed directly into your hospital go bag. So here's a little baggie to go to the hospital. That's pretty cool. I like that. I need to get my baby bag ready. When I do, I'll go ahead and show you guys what I have in it. So that'll be fun. Let's actually take this out. Alright, oh, so okay, so it has those little storage baggies. Nursing pads. A little pacifier. And the little coupon booklet. Alright, so here, this is the last thing. Nothing else on the box. Alright, some universal standard. Let's see. Alright, so it's universal standards, $100 gift card. I've never heard of this company, so I am not sure what they are, but I will check it out. You get $1 off any water wipes coupon, and then it's actually one in this little baggie. So that's awesome. Alright, so here's another coupon for Solly Baby. You get $10 off purchase of $50. And then there's a code behind there. It's for a swaddle, like, I'm sorry, not a swaddle, like one of those baby carrying thingies. I forget what these things are called. You can tell me, Mom. And then here goes another sample of the, a sample of the Aquaphor. And then in the back there's a $2 off coupon. Swaddle Design gives you a 50% on a regular priced item. So that's cool. And then we have, so there you go, it's for your nips for protection and to soothe them. Alright guys, so I believe that is it. There's nothing else in the box. So that was the BabyList box for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned and please subscribe. Next week I'm actually going to be doing another registry box for Target. So if you want to check that out, just subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys at the next time. Have a good one, guys.